In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add calendar view to Trello so you can see all your tasks and deadlines in a clean, organized schedule format. Whether you're managing content, projects, client work, or personal tasks, the calendar view makes it much easier to track due dates and stay on top of everything. I'll walk you through both the built-in calendar option and the free power-up method step by step. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Trello and go to the board where you want to add the calendar view. Once you're inside your board, look at the top left area of the screen. You'll see a button that says Views or Board depending on your plan. Click on the Views dropdown. This opens up the different layout options available for your board. If you're using Trello Premium or Enterprise, you'll see Calendar listed as one of the view options. Go ahead and click on Calendar. Trello will switch your board from the default list layout into a calendar layout. If this is your first time opening it, you may be prompted to add or enable the calendar view. Click on Add to confirm. Once added, your board will now display tasks according to their due dates in a monthly calendar format. Now, if you're on the free version of Trello and don't see the calendar view available by default, don't worry, you can still add it using a power-up. On the right-hand side of your board, click on Power-ups. In the search bar, type Calendar. You can either choose Trello's calendar power-up or a third-party option like Planyway if you want more advanced scheduling features. Click Add next to the calendar power-up you prefer. Once added, it will integrate directly with your board and allow you to view your cards in calendar format. Now that your calendar view is active, let's add a scheduled task so you can see how it works. Inside the calendar view, click on a specific date where you want to create a task. You'll be prompted to choose whether to create a new card or select an existing card from a list. Click on Card or List depending on your setup, then type the name of your task. Make it something clear and descriptive so you instantly know what it's about when viewing your schedule. After naming your card, set a due date. This step is very important because Trello's calendar view organizes everything based on due dates. Select the correct date and, if needed, set a specific time. Once that's done, click Add Card. Your new task will immediately appear on the calendar on the selected date. You can click on any scheduled card to edit details, add descriptions, attach files, create checklists, assign team members, or adjust the due date. As soon as you update the due date, the card will automatically move to the new date on your calendar. And that's it. Your calendar schedule is now saved and fully functional. You can switch back to your standard board view anytime using the Views dropdown, and your tasks will remain synced between list and calendar layouts. Using the calendar view is one of the best ways to visually manage deadlines, plan campaigns, organize content schedules, and improve overall productivity inside Trello. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Trello guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.